So this is more skincare than makeup, but you want to start off with a great moisturizer. You want to always moisturize your skin before you apply any kind of makeup to help lock in moisture and prevent your makeup from looking dry, cracked, or patchy. I'm using It Confidence in a Gel Cream. It's one of my favorite moisturizers when I'm going to use a little bit of makeup. Alright, and just let that moisturizer dry for a bit and fully absorb into your skin. Now that our skin is moisturized, it's time for our primer. The primer I'll be using is Dr. Brandt's Pore No More. You'll need a dime-sized amount of this primer because it works so well. And I'm really only applying to the areas of my skin that get oily. Primer is applied. Next up, I'm doing my brows. I'm using a Benefit's brow pencil. Starting with the brush side, I'm just gonna brush my brows up. And then the other side is a pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. Now that I've filled my brows in, I'm going to go back in with the spoolie side and brush it out so I don't have any harsh lines for my brows. Now I'm taking some concealer and I'm going to apply it underneath my eye. As well as underneath my brows for that freshly arched look. I am using my favorite concealer of all time, which is YSL All Hours Concealer. Now I'm going in with a beauty blender. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of water and I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm taking any of that excess concealer underneath my brow. I'm just applying it to my lid. Okay, concealer is applied. Now I'm going in with a setting powder. This same beauty blender I used for my foundation because we're not using a bunch of tools. I'm going to dab that in and then apply under eye. It's going to help prevent my concealer from creasing throughout the day. It's going to give me that nice, I got all 8 hours of sleep and not woke up twice with a 6-month-old look. All right, setting powder is done. Let's brush that off. All right, setting powder is done. So we're keeping this look very simple, very basic, so there will not be any eyeshadows for this look. But don't worry, I got something for you at the end. Now, we're going to go ahead and apply mascara. I'm using Huda Beauty's One Coat Wow. I feel like my real lashes are kind of pitiful, so I might do some cluster lashes just to show what you can do with an extra 3 minutes. Without lashes, with flare lashes. What do you guys think? So last but not least, I'm going to go in with some lip liner. I'm using a brown lip liner. Mine is Huda Beauty Lip Contour. And then for the gloss, I am using a Lawless lip gloss in the color Velvet. Here you go, a very basic makeup look that was like 5 products in less than 10 minutes. And just to finish this off, I'm going to use a little bit of setting spray just to lock in this makeup. I am using NYX Dewy Finish setting spray and it's very affordable. If you want to include some eyeshadow with this look, let me share with you guys my favorite 3 eyeshadow method. I'll link that video right here, so go ahead and watch that next. See you there.